The AB point operating mode can help the pilot start an autonomous operation on a regular shaped field without mapping. Fill the tank with agrochemical before the spraying operation. Press the spray button to evacuate the air in the pipe. Before the spreading operation, press the spread button and ensure the rolling feeder is working properly. Ensure the fan is working properly. Fill the container with granule. Click the setting icon after calibration. Please refer to the spreading system calibration tutorial. Choose the actual granule type. Check whether the components are tightened. Click dosage on the RC. Note: when the operating speed exceeds the set speed range, the dosage will be inaccurate. Please set the dosage, altitude, line spacing, and flight speed according to your actual needs. Click Confirm after setting all the parameters. Click Start Operation. Check your surroundings to make sure it is safe to start the operation. Unlock the drone and fly FP300 to point A, usually set at one side of the field. Adjust the altitude. Press button A. There will be a voice and screen prompt, point A recorded. Press the spray or spread button. Fly the drone forward at an even speed to point B. Press button B. There will be a voice and screen prompt, point B recorded. Press button AB. Toggle the roll stick to left or right according to the line changing direction. The drone will start the operation according to the direction you choose. When the operation is finished, click Finish Operation and Confirm. We suggest the pilot fly the drone back manually. Operating with AB point mode is completed.